Hi. Today I will demonstrate how to animate 2D characters in Spine Pro step by step. All the characters and game assets are available for free on my website. If you are interested in how to design characters, the link for that video is in the description. Like and subscribe to my channel for more productive, informative videos. Open up new project in Spine Pro. Head toward the images and select the folder that contains the PNG parts of the character. Drag and drop the character into the canvas. Now go to Mesh of the body of the character and select New from Edit Mesh. Create mesh around the body of the character. Try to add as many points where you think the parts of the character needs to be animated to avoid any distortion of the character's mesh during animation. Similarly, follow the same process for creating mesh of the hat of the character. First go to Edit Mesh, then click on New, and now just simply create points of mesh around the hat of the character. It is now time to create bones for the character. Go to the root in hierarchy, head to New and create a new bone inherited by the root bone. The second bone is always inherited by the first bone. In order to change that, just click on the bone that you want to be inherited by and create a new bone.
I'm here to last, so yeah, I'm here to stay. I'll live each second like my final day. You can't take that away.
In order to assign meshes to the bones, go to Weight, select the mesh of the bone, and click on Bind, and then choose the bones that would affect the mesh, and then again click on Bind. Click on the setup to change the interface to Animate. First, select all the bones by holding down the Shift button and set the initial positions, rotations and scales of the bones of the character. Copy and paste the initial values of the first frame to the final frame to have a smooth loop in the animation. I am using 30 frames per second for this particular character. Right at the 15th frame, rotate and translate the main bones that you want to be animated. Once the desired animation is complete, you can make more changes to the animation by using the graphs to increase or decrease the speed of the animation at any certain frame. If you find my videos interesting, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the thumb up. Thank you.